Welcome to this technical guide on the Kovold VK140. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Kovold VK140 won't turn on at all, you're not alone. This issue can arise from a range of causes, including a faulty power supply or internal component failure. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, making the repair more complex and costly. To get started with the repair, you will need a set of screwdrivers, including a Phillips head, a flathead screwdriver, some replacement fuses, and a multimeter to test electrical connections. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical shock. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the back panel of the Kovold VK140. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back panel away using the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the casing or any internal components. Now that you have access to the internal workings of the device, visually inspect for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose wires. Often, the issue lies within the power supply unit. Locate this component, which is usually situated near the power input. With your multimeter, check if it is receiving power. If there is no voltage, it may need replacement. To extract the power supply, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. Unscrew any screws holding the power supply in place, applying a gentle force to avoid damaging surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty power supply is removed, replace it with a new one, ensuring all connections are secure and in the correct position. Reinsert the screws to fasten the new power supply, and double-check that no wires are pinched or obstructed. To reassemble, carefully align the back panel and press it into place, securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Before you plug the device back in, give it one last check to ensure everything is correctly connected and secured. Now, plug in your Kovold VK140 and try turning it on. If it powers up, congratulations, you've successfully repaired it. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that your device is not exposed to excessive moisture or dust, and consider regular maintenance checks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.